So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And in this video, I'll unbox the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator swags. And also I'll tell you how you can get these swags and what are the package contents. Let's explore it one by one. And make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video too. Now let me open the box. Here you can see, let's explore the package contents. So we have the hard shell bag, blue hoodie, a clock, Lego diary, the simple tube lamp, and the brick set and the vacuum insulated bottle. So let's just review each item one by one. Also we have got a letter, means a letter card, postcard you can say, from the arcade team that saying congratulations and join the community. Now let's review each content one by one. So this is the hard shelled bag, and here you can see that it has multiple compartments for storing the devices. Okay, you can also see it contains the USB, means internal charger. Okay, so here you can keep your power bank, and at the outside you can keep your mobile phone for charging it, so that your package contents are like mobile phones are safe. You can see here we have multiple pockets also, so and the security lock also. But I don't like this bag personally because many of my friends used it, and one of them were having the Lenovo LQ and it fell down because the quality of the bag is very basic type. So I will give it 3 out of 10. So let's unbox the next item, that is the hoodie. So this is our hoodie, and it's typically blue color hoodie, white scar edition, and the quality of hoodie is very nice. I have been using it. I have multiple colors hoodie. If you just see, we have black color also and white color also. So let me just show you. The fabric is very soft and it will keep you warm. Okay, so there is no branding at the back. Earlier it was mentioned like Google Cloud Arcade or Facilitator over there. If you just see, the quality is also top notch, and I preferred a one size lower, means if I wear XL I choose L, and it's a very premium quality hoodie, so I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Okay, now let's move to the next package item, that is the vacuum insulated bottle. So this is the bottle, and it's vacuum insulated, means you can keep up hot and cold item inside it. It's around, I think it's a small 400 or 500 ml. Okay, so it's like this, you can see. So it's very good, and I'll give it 9 out of 10 again. Now the next package item, we have the Lego diary. So it's a normal Lego diary. You can just open it. So here, okay, it's Tetris diary, I think so. So here it's simple white page. If you want to draw something or you're interested in writing notes, it's perfect for you. So I will give it a 5 out of 10 because I rarely use. Maybe for someone it's 10 out of 10. Now the next content is the cloud logo brick set. Okay. So here they have mentioned the bricks, and one instruction manual was also there. So this was the instruction manual. So I think I will rarely use it. So it's perfect for gifting items to kids, and for my point of view I'll consider it as a 2 out of 10 because I want to use it. Instead of this they could have given some mouse etc., like wireless mouse or keyboard mouse combo. So this is the next flag, is the light, means this light. Okay, so it's also present in the legend tire of the arcade swags. One more important thing, these are facilitator swags, not arcade swags. So it is type C powered, and it's a rechargeable. So if I just open it, let me just open it. So here you can see it's heavy over here. If I just turn it on, you can see it's multiple colors and single color also. So you can use it for camping purposes. Okay. Now comes the next swag, That is the final swag, I think so. That is the main highlight of it. So here, this is the clock where you can just set the sceneries, photos, lighting, weather, all the details will be there. And it is powered, means here it should be connected directly. Otherwise, you won't be able to use it. It is not battery powered. So this is it. Let me just show you by connecting it to the charger. So if I just connect it over here, so now it's on. You can see it's having the RGB lighting, and on the left hand side, okay. So it will show time, weather, etc. It can be configured with the app they have mentioned over here. So this was the quick impression and hands-on of the swags. And I haven't given the rating for this. So I personally liked it. So I'm giving it 10 out of 10. Also for this light. What was the light? This small light. I'll give also 9 out of 10. You can comment down which swag you like the most and how to participate. For this, I have attached the links in the description. You can just watch the videos and just take part in the facilitator program. Mostly for becoming a facilitator, it's simple. You need to be a college student or not. You must be at least 18 years of age. And second thing is that you must be having an active laptop internet connection, and here you have to simply fill a form to become a facilitator, and you have to help students. You have to onboard some of the students who will be guiding them to complete the arcade badges and provide credits. It's very simple. I have attached the video links. You can watch it and understand the program. If you face any issue, you can comment down below. So let's see the final swags. These are the swags. You can see. Okay, so do like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you want any other help, you can comment down below. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.